The magic number is usually 10 clients, right? When you start, you're always wanting to go for 5, 10, 15 clients. You're assuming you're going to charge $1,000, $2,000 a month, because we all know that the magic number is either 10 clients or 10K a month, right? In the very beginning, we always strive for that. 6-figure year, right? Before taxes and all that other stuff. So if you're looking at just having a 6-figure revenue year as an agency, and you're just trying to get 10 or 15 clients, you're going to take everything that's thrown at you in the beginning. And in doing that, you will eventually figure out what you're great at. So it might, like for me, I found out that if you give me a digital marketer, regardless of who he is or who she is, if the offer is great, I can find a way to promote it with teamwork, obviously, between he or she and I. We can make this work. I did well with gyms, I did well with personal trainers, I did well with dentists and chiropractors, but I did not do well with insurance agents, loan officers. Real estate was tough in the beginning. So I found where I was great, and then I just kept evolving from there. But the minute a digital marketer said, hey, how do I make my webinar work? Or how do I get more people to apply for a strategy session? I was able to take that skill set and then start to apply it to other niches. It's like, oh, let me create a sample funnel for this niche, and then this funnel for this niche. Keep doing it over and over. So in the beginning, you're just taking everything because you want to figure out where you're really good. And then you start to define it after. It might be niche specific, you define it, or it might be a type of funnel, right? Because some people will say, oh, I'm really good at getting strategy sessions. Great. What niches need strategy calls? Or what niche phone calls? And then go into those. I just happen to be great at both, but for a certain type of